Can an LLC provide health insurance? Yes, an LLC can provide health insurance both for its owners and employees, but the rules depend on how the LLC is taxed. In a default single member or multi-member LLC, owners can deduct health insurance premiums on their personal tax returns if certain conditions are met. For example, if your LLC is taxed as an S-corporation and you own more than 2%, the LLC can pay your premiums, but the cost must be reported as income on your W-2. You may still be able to deduct it personally, which helps reduce the tax burden. For employees, health insurance is treated as a deductible business expense for the LLC. The important step is setting up the right tax classification and plan structure. Doing this properly allows your LLC to cover healthcare costs legally while maximizing tax benefits. Zen Business can help you structure your LLC and choose the right setup for offering health insurance. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.